Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ledger Live for syncing your Ledger hardware wallet. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Ledger Live, first, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Ledger website at ledger.com. Navigate to the Apps section on the home page. Click on the Ledger Live option. You will see download options for different operating systems. Select the option that matches your computer's operating system, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. After clicking the download link, the installer file will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen to proceed. If prompted, agree to the terms and conditions to continue. Allow the installation to complete. This may take a few moments. After the installation is finished, open Ledger Live. You may be asked to connect your Ledger hardware wallet. Ensure your hardware wallet is connected via USB and powered on. Follow the on-screen instructions to sync your device with Ledger Live. You are now ready to manage your cryptocurrencies effectively. Remember to back up your wallet and keep your recovery phrase secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.